Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials: 64 wood planks, glass panes, doors, and torches. Once done, pick a flat 10 by 8 plot and remove grass and trees so placement is simple. Lay a 1-block-high wooden foundation in a 10x8 rectangle and add corner posts for stability. This prevents accidental mob spawning and gives clear dimensions. Make sure to keep corridors 2 blocks wide for movement. You're building structure and function at once, setting a reliable base for the rest of Lisa's house. Now you raise the walls. Stack planks to 4 blocks high, leaving 2 by 1 window gaps to keep natural light. Once the walls are up, install 20 glass panes into those gaps to protect interiors while maintaining view. Next, put doors at the main entrance and a secondary exit. This helps pathing and emergencies. For the roof, use stairs to create a gentle slope with a 1-block overhang to shed rain and prevent mob spawns on eaves. Make sure seams are sealed so no gaps remain. Finish the interior by laying a clean plank floor and positioning a bed, chests, crafting table, and furnace for functionality. Once done, light the house with torches spaced roughly every 6 blocks to keep light levels safe and prevent mob spawning. Add carpet and stair furniture for a cozy look and smoother movement. Test doors and windows from outside to ensure no gaps let mobs in. If you spot spawning, place slabs, fences, or extra torches outside immediately to fix the issue and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.